I'm the Barber Coach, and I'm going to take a minute to tell you how you can set up your own business as a barber for very little cost. Now, if you're a new barber and you haven't got much of a clientele, then this video isn't for you. You need to get into a barber shop, work hard, build a clientele. If you don't want to work for somebody else and you want to go self-employed from the get-go, then get another job to support your living as you are building a clientele. But for barbers who are working their butt off, making a lot of money for shop owners, and they're ready to open up their own shop or to go on their own, but they're worried it's going to cost them too much money, then this video is for you. And let me tell you now, you don't need expensive premises. You don't need to buy really, really expensive equipment. What you need is a convenient location and a good social media platform to reach a clientele. I've actually set up a barber shop in my local town of Newquay from a changing rooms of a football club. That has a small kitchen facility on the side. I've got in touch with the club. I've sponsored the team by giving them cheaper haircuts. They've allowed me to use the facility, and all I'm doing is paying a small electric fee towards the lighting. Less than £100 a month on electric. I'm paying a little bit of money, probably £25 a month on social media advertising to reach people within this small town. I've got a chair, £250. I've got a mirror, £100. I've got a tool station, £120, and then my toolkit. So that could be anything from £150 up to £350, and I'm up and running. And that is all you need to get started. Now, don't get me wrong, when you get busier and you get better and you've got a solid clientele returning weekly, invest that money back into a better premises, but always look for convenient locations. So this changing rooms has a free parking facility outside. It's really, really, really easy to access, and customers keep coming. So just look for a location that needs a barber, get in touch with the clientele that you already have, and find a nice, easy, convenient location where they can come to with free parking, and I guarantee you'll be busy. And then you can look at spending money afterwards. Thank you for watching.